Who could it be? What's going on? A package? Who's it for?
I don't know.
Well, why don't you read the address?
What's it say? Aaron J. Esposito.
And it's Daddy.
Daddy sent it to you. I wonder what it could be.
From Daddy.
Yay! Can you open it?
No.
Need some
Right here,
scissors?
you should be able to look it up. Yeah. There you go. You did it.
Come on. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
My
Maybe,
dress?
Is it?
maybe it's a pair of ditties.
That'd be a little pretty small for a dress. What's in there? Itty
They're not
bitty.
ditties.
They're not ditties. Itty bitties.
I didn't think you heard me.
Earrings.
Real
Hey,
ones?
what are they? Gems?
What are they?
What do they look like? What does Mimi love?
Yeah, but what are they?
Earrings.
I want to get my ears pierced.
You don't have to have pierced ears for these. You say, thank you, Daddy. These are turtles. And those are hearts.
Do you just clip them on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You turn it. And it
Stays on.
adjusts to your pretty little lobes. Can you say,
Ears,
thank you,
lobes.
Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy. I already got my ears pierced, though.
Well, maybe the other mailman will come tonight.
Yeah, you're going to be getting a few packages in the mail. Oh, they tried to get away. You want to wear this pair or your other pair? All right, you wear
How
that.
do you open it?
You turn it. To the left opens it. To the right closes it. So you have to turn it to the left to get it on your little lobe.
Is that
And
the
then
left?
Yes. See how it's opening?
How do you, can you get it on me?
All right, let's see how we can do this. Da-da-da.
Will they stay on and not get lost?
Yep.
Because they just.
Yep.
Because my ears are getting bigger.
Are.
Yeah.
Let's turn.
And these are fancy schmancy earrings.
Okay, hold still.
Even these.
Mm-hmm.
But Mimi's are these.
Mm-hmm.
I can't get it from here very well. Okay.